Hello everyone, welcome to another section with Fashion Boss Innovations Academy. My name is actually Faith Abraham and this is Fashion Boss Innovations Academy online training. Alright, I trust you all doing very well. In this video I want to teach us how to make a particular roses. I call it roses because I came up with it using your crinoline, right? I'm actually doing this because a lot of people are requesting for it. I've requested for it. I can't help but to teach you guys. Okay, so this is the roses I'm talking about. All right. Okay, so what do you need to achieve this roses? I call it crinoline roses, right? Of course you need your crinoline. So the first thing for you to do, like I have always taught us when working with crinoline, because of the fraying of your crinoline, you secure your edges. So as you can see, I've secured my edges. So I've secured my edges. The length of this crinoline is actually 60 inches. Right now it is inconsequential, the length. I'm saying it is inconsequential because it has to do with how big you want your roses to be. Depends on what you want to do with it. So I used 60 inches for this very one, and now I also have 60 inches on this blue one. Okay, so the first thing for you to do, like I said, is to secure both ends, and then you get your needle and your thread of the same color, and then you form your plates, big plates from the middle, starting from there, this angle right here. It has to be in the middle. If you don't form the plates on the middle here, you see the middle of this crinoline, it won't give you this rose. So it has to be the middle. So you form your big plates like this, the middle, emphasis, middle. Keep going like that till you get to the end of your crinoline. So I've gotten to the end of my crinoline. So when you get to the end, you then pull, right? When you pull, this is what you are going to get, but it doesn't end here. Oh, so I said you pull, right? When you pull, this is what we have. You see, you have something you can use already, and then you pass your needle back like this after pulling to secure it. Pass your needle back up here to secure what you already have, right? Then at this point you start twisting like this. You just twist like this, turn it. It's very flexible, you see, and your rose is ready. I was just playing with my crinoline and I came up with this. I didn't learn it from nowhere. So when you sit down to play with your materials, you'll be so amazed on the stuff you will come up with. Okay, and here we are. So you can use this as a fascinator on its own like this. Just put a rose here, attach your Alice band, and you are good to go. You can use it to decorate an already molded fascinator. So you can just be creative with it and you are good to go. You can use those bridal bridal girls, covet bridal girls. You can do this for them and they use for the wedding and you are good to go. All right, thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for our next video. Ciao.